Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could rise 41 points at the opening bell. The Dow Jones Index futures in the United States were up 28 points, indicating a positive start to the day in U.S. stocks. On Tuesday, Asian stocks were mixed as concerns about China's COVID flared up, as did hawkish U.S. Fed commentary. U.S. stocks fell in a volatile session on Monday, kicking off a short trading week due to the Thanksgiving holiday. Fears that China will reimpose COVID restrictions following reports of virus deaths weighed on markets. Traders were also looking for additional clues from the Federal Reserve about future interest rate hikes. The S&P 500 fell 0.39% to 3,949.94, while the Nasdaq Composite fell 1.09% to 11,024.51. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 45.41 points, or 0.13%, to 33,700.28, though the index's losses were offset by a 6% increase in Disney shares. On Monday, San Francisco Federal Reserve President Mary Daly stated that more work is needed to tighten monetary policy and cool inflation, and that the real-world impact of recent rate hikes will most likely be greater than what the short-term target rate implies. Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester stated her support for a smaller rate hike in December, which is consistent with market expectations for a 50 basis point BPS increase. On Monday, November 21, 2022, the domestic equity benchmarks fell for the third consecutive session. Fears of tighter monetary policy in the United States and an increase in COVID-19 cases in China dampened sentiment. The S&P, BSE Sensex, the barometer index, fell 518.64 points, or 0.84%, to 61,144.84. To 18,159.95, the NIFTY 50 Index fell 147.70 points or 0.81%. In 3 consecutive sessions, both indices fell about 1.35%. According to preliminary data, foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 1,593.83 crore, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers worth 1,262.91 crore in the Indian equity market on November 21, 2022. Follow us. Information is wealth.